Typically, sleep apnea is associated with loud, obnoxious snoring. However, what most people do not realize is how harmful untreated sleep apnea can actually be on one's long-term health. Sleep apnea can be a contributing factor to heart attack, stroke, depression, and extreme daytime sleepiness. The most commonly prescribed form of treatment is the cumbersome CPAP machine, and it is estimated that 50% of patients find CPAP intolerable and discontinue its use, leaving them vulnerable to the health deteriorating effects of untreated sleep apnea. Sleep appliances in recent years have become so effective that they are now considered the first line of treatment for most mild to moderate cases of sleep apnea, even demonstrating success with the very severe cases. Dental sleep appliances are comfortable, effective, easy to use, and in most cases will be covered by medical insurance. Dr. Bouzis has helped hundreds of patients throughout the state of Wyoming while maintaining the highest level of continuing education in both sleep-disordered breathing and craniomandibular disorders, commonly called TMJ. To schedule a sleep consultation with Dr. Bouzis, call 307-202-8078.